touch it. Pick it up. Oh, it's scratching. Can I scratch it for you? Yeah, he lets me scratch it. Oh, he's so cute. Hey, can I scratch your back? Now kiss it. Put your hand here. Like by him. By his beak. I'm scared. You want to do it? What is it? What does it do? Come here. Say, what is it? I won't bite you. I'm very close to me. Kiss. Wait, get this. Put it on. Go by the bird. Go by the bird. Go by my hand and the bird. 3, 2, 1, down. 3, 2, 1. You saw that?
You don't need mobile, just more than mobile.
No, you do it. You do it. No. You do it now. You do it. Wait, what do I do? Pet it. No, it's gonna get out. Touch it here. Touch it here. Oh, he's going away.
You got fooled by
Move. I'm trying. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Stick. Come. Can you get the camera? Wait, show the wing. Don't bite me. I meant kiss me. It's trying to get out. Wait, get it. I'm going to show the wings. Yeah? Wait. I'm going to let it out and get it. Yeah. Oh, I got it. I got it.
The thing is falling down all the chilies.